Unlock the secret to creating unique, on-brand websites in a flash, even with pre-designed Webflow templates. First, navigate to Webflow's template library and select a template that broadly fits your project's purpose and layout preferences. Once opened in the designer, you'll see the template's structure. To modify the layout, you can easily drag and drop sections, reorder elements within containers, or even delete unnecessary components. Next, let's tackle colors. Select any element, like a hero section or a button, and use the Styles panel on the right to pick new colors from the color picker or directly input your brand's hex codes. Fonts are crucial for branding. Select any text element, whether it's a heading or paragraph, and the Styles panel will allow you to browse and apply different font families, adjust sizes, and modify line height. Now personalize your content. Click on any image to replace it with your own from the Assets panel. Similarly, click on any text box to type in your unique messaging, descriptions, and calls to action. For a final touch, explore the Interactions panel. If you want to add subtle animations once satisfied, hit the Publish button in the top right corner, and your customized website is live. With these simple steps, you can transform any Webflow template into a professional, on-brand website that stands out. Happy designing!